How to delete the audio in Canva. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the audio in Canva. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. You must need to follow some steps for that, and the steps that you need to follow are as follows. So firstly, open the project containing the video you want to edit. After you open the project, click the arrow below and go to the video's music. So you will see some tracker music there. Now click on the three vertical dots on the top right side next to the video clip or anywhere. There should be three vertical lines where there are many options. Now among the many options, select the delete track option, which you will see after scrolling a little. Now by following these steps, you should be able to remove music or any audio from your video in Canva efficiently. After removing the music or audio, make sure that you save your changes by clicking the share button, or if you want to add some other, then again go on the music or track and add some other music. So this is how you can do this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.